We've repaired the damages caused by last week's near catastrophe in Dotham Cut. Now it's time to enjoy some beach vibes. In all honesty, we had no plans on coming here, but we're glad we did. Around every corner is a family to meet, a beach to explore, and a town full of resources. A lot of sailors, solo cruisers, and families told us, we're going to Georgetown, and we just couldn't understand why. We just didn't have any idea how right they were. This is Cruiser Nation, Georgetown, Bahamas. Previously, the Bahamas were a place to find escape and tranquility in nature. But here, it's about embracing each and every day, the community and the beach vibes. Hello and welcome to Georgetown. We're finally taking care of the 9.9 today. I've got Alfonso meeting me here at the dock, and we're gonna hand it off to him and see if he can do the magic that I clearly cannot do. So anyway, got that going. We're gonna walk around town, except I forgot shoes, so we're gonna try to figure that out. And then we're gonna see what the town's all about. Let's go have some fun.
We're in Georgetown, Exuma's, and we are on our way to a little cafe called Driftwood. We've heard raving reviews about it, and we're a little hungry for breakfast, so we met up with some friends, and we're on our way there now. So, can't wait. Come on.
Whoa, what's in the bag already?
Oh, well.
What's in the bag?
4 bags and bread. We found another bread maker. Her name is Kiva, I think.
Kiva?
Kiva.
Sweet.
She is here on the Georgetown Island, and she meets you at the dinghy dock and sells her bread here.
So this is the coconut and this is the white bread.
Nice.
I think we have a problem.
Bread addiction?
Bread addiction. Bahamas bread.
I'm gonna need new swimsuits after all this bread.
I know. So much for losing weight on this trip, right?
Yeah, sounds pretty.
Trying to find some breakfast with Foster's.
Little breakfast here.
I had the avocado Benedict. It was so delicious.
Great little cafe. I'd like to come back for lunch and maybe do some computer work.
Yeah. Somebody has a birthday coming up, and this place was recommended for lunch too, so I might want to come back here. We'll have to see.
All right, so now we're heading over, I think, to Men's Motorsports, and we're gonna look at Plan C for our dinghy motor.
I hope they have one. They don't have any 15 horsepowers. Hard to get right now, but he definitely said he would wait for 15 and not just settle for something else. So we're gonna hold off and see what we can do with this 9.9 and use our Coleman until then.
Cool. Oh, he's shopping.
I know. See what I want for my birthday so I can tell Matt and Olivia to come back and get it.
Oh, okay. All right, game on.
That makes it easy.
Yeah, I like these.
Oh, yeah, that's
big
nice.
ones.
Big one right there.
It has a little strap on there too.
Nice. Yes.
Yep, they have black. I have a brown one, and I have a whitish color.
Oh, look at that with the ribbon.
Yeah.
Oh, look at this.
Any of these big ones, okay?
Oh, is that it? That's all we need?
Well, that's one thing you can buy me.
That's about all I could take of that trinket type of shop. I can't do too much of that type of shopping before, you know. I enjoy the fresh air and the beautiful view, right? It's just gorgeous out here. This is Elizabeth Harbor behind me, and we're on the edge here at Georgetown, right by the police station. This place is just amazing. It's beautiful. Clear skies, nice breeze. This is good. So how's Georgetown treating you?
Georgetown's great. Picked up an ornament from a Christmas tree.
Is that made out of conch?
It is made out of conch. The lady's cousin made it that had the booth.
So pretty.
It's absolutely stunning. So wish I had more money, I would have gotten way more.
Nancy wants conch earrings.
Oh, I know, we were looking at them together over there.
Georgetown's treating me mighty fine. Got a passion fruit daiquiri here.
Nice.
Poured with love, a little extra rum floater.
How'd you get your fruit in for the day?
I did. Well, it's a little too warm out here, so.
Okay.
Mango, passion fruit. Daiquiri too.
And then just be prepared because as soon as you walk up there, you're gonna smell what's on their grill, and you're gonna.
Time for lunch. Is it time for lunch yet?
Second breakfast?
What time is it? Second breakfast.
It is 12:30.
It's lunchtime!
It's lunchtime!
Yes!
Oh my god.
All right, what's happening? We just ate breakfast, didn't we?
Now we're coming for our fruit serving of
Serving of fruit?
strawberry daiquiris. Yes, please.
Strawberry daiquiri.
I want to know what they're smoking.
Well, there was pork rib and chicken.
Stop. Strawberry and pina colada?
Yeah, I can mix it together.
Okay, I'll take one of those and with rum, and he'll take the small strawberry daiquiri with rum and a float.
Okay.
We had a great time here. We are leaving to go to Long Island and then Conception and Rum, and then we are gonna go to, I think, Bermuda and then the East Coast this summer.
Race is heading off, doing a little bit more of a
The
tour
Cruiser's
of the
Net
Bahamas.
is a radio broadcast that shares daily updates, news, and any events that are going on that well, anyone can participate in. All right, we got the spears ready. We're gonna hunt along that coastline there. I'm gonna leave you in the boat, and hopefully next time I see you, it's gonna be putting a fish in the bucket. We are one snapper into the game. It's a good appetizer. We need about 5 more. What do you think? Yes, we do. Corey found this huge lobster back there. I'm talking, I don't know, arm size. But we're a few days past lobster season, so we had to pass, unfortunately. Here's where we are now.
Meanwhile, back at Cadence, I'm just hanging out with some friends.
Oh my god. Oh man. Okay.
Yeah, cleaning up the fish, about to throw them on the bobby. Fish on the bobby.
It's a tiny fish.
Little snapper, yeah, we were supposed to get about half dozen of them, but once we got the first one, they all ran away. I don't blame them. But no, that's good. That's it's about a serving, 4 ounces of meat. Oh, it smells. All right, so yeah, the fish shrunk on the grill. It really was a big fish. But here's a secret for you. If your fish is small, you can't use your regular size fork. You need to use a small fork. And it looks bigger. That's the secret. Let's dig in. It smells fishy. So, oh, it looks good. Looks flaky. Looks like fish. Smells like fish shit. Tastes good. Tastes rather good. Let's pass that. Let's pass the plate.
No thanks. No thanks.
Well, yeah, we're having a little lunch here, and then we're going to take you to the beach right next to us. What do we have here, Nance, for lunch?
I don't know. This is our version of ACP that we learned on the East Coast.
Got a little shrimp, cheese, rice, bell peppers, onions, cilantro, jalapeno, black beans.
No black beans in this.
Thanks for cooking. So nice, thank you. You're welcome. All right, so we're gonna finish this up, and then we're gonna take you out to ChatN Chill. Literally right behind us, this cool little beach. So we'll be there in a second. But for now, we gotta eat this. We'll see you in a minute.
Minutes.
ChatN Chill today. We've been anchored here for a couple of days. It's a fantastic place, lots of fun. We just want to share the island vibe with you. Come on. I have gotten better. Oh, she's on right now. I've gotten better. Do you think I've gotten better? It's sideways or something. I don't know what's happening there, man.
The camera's not. After a day at the beach at ChatN Chill, playing volleyball and laughing with friends, we had a 3-boat raft up. Because that's what Georgetown is about. Heck, that's what cruising is about. The moments you share with people. It's this community of wandering souls creating moments of joy. And thanks for joining us today. We'll see you next week.